Hey guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm going to talk about your oven. We're going to convert your recipe from bake to convection the proper way using our 25 and 25 rule. So let's talk about your standard recipe in bake. Let's use cookies for example. Say your cookie says bake 350 for 12 to 15 minutes. Now here in convection, we're going to take that same recipe and drop it down to 325 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. So we drop the temp 25 degrees. The rule of thumb, anything under an hour and a half, we drop the temp 25 degrees. Anything over an hour and a half, we like to drop the time 25 degrees. So let's talk about your Thanksgiving turkey or roasting a ham. That's gonna be, like the ham's probably 350 degrees for, let's say, an hour and a half. Now in convection, it's gonna be 350 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 5 minutes. So the convection is 25 on the back end or 25 degrees in temperature, okay? We use our convection fan right here, and what that does is it doesn't really speed up the process, it moves that airflow around to be even from edge to edge on the racks. That's what you miss in regular bake. When we hit bake, we're just gonna use the bake element, it's gonna preheat, it's gonna use the broiler back and forth, but now the convection is our third heat source. That's really bringing the power to make this oven, circular and bring that air from left to right. So that's really the huge piece from bake to convection that we're getting, okay? So guys, rule of thumb, use the 25 and 25 rule. It will never fail you. Thanks from Don's Appliances.